Hello kings, hello queens, welcome back to another video, you guys. If you are new to my channel, hello, I'm Cece. Well, you guys, as y'all can already tell by the title, we're about to do a little mukbang. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a mukbang and we just gonna talk and y'all gonna watch me eat. Today, with my little mukbang, I'm going to be probably just ranting, honestly, just because I need a rant, you guys. I need a rant. But anyways, let me show y'all what I got. I went to KFC. Okay. Y'all, if you guys already know, KFC came out with this new chicken donut sandwich. And I was interested and I really wanted it. So this is what I'm gonna eat tonight. Right now. Anyways. Ooh, you guys. This chicken sandwich is looking bomb so far. Bomb. And I love their wedges. I can't help it. But look at this. Y'all see that? Oh, hold on. And this is mad sticky too. But y'all see that? That little goldenness in the chicken. This is about to smack. And if you know me, then you know I love lemonade. So obviously my drink was just regular lemonade. My cat's staring at me. Anyways, so hello everyone. I don't even know where to start. To be honest with you, no, you know what? I'm gonna start like this. So, I guess what I mainly want to rant about is like YouTube and stuff. Just because, not even gonna lie, I've been struggling a little bit. I've been struggling, or at least I feel like I've been struggling. I'm trying, but I'm struggling. So one of the things I'm kind of like figuring out during this process is how can I promote myself better and how can I get a certain type of audience to reach out to me. I know for a fact what I want to do for this channel is I love clothes and I also like doing hair, but I want to like transition into those two fields. Like I want to make my channel like a hair channel, but I also want to do like a fashion channel. And I'm also looking for other brands that I'm going to incorporate on my channel, just because you can't stick to just one brand the whole time. Like that's boring. Like, all right, the first 2 times, okay, cool, 3, whatever, cool, but then like the next go around it's just like, girl, can you switch it up? Like, what are you doing? So brands I plan on trying are Boohoo, Pretty Little Things, Shein, I think it's pronounced Shein, I don't know. I'm gonna try that. African Mall, I heard a lot of great reviews for African Mall, so I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna start trying that out. Let's see what else. Ooh, I'll probably do a baddie on a budget video, and then I'll probably do transforming myself into an Instagram influencer for a day. Okay, those are probably, in terms of fashion, what I'm gonna do. Now, for my hair, y'all, what I plan on doing for my hair, I got ideas. Like, well, oh, my bad. Hold on. This book here contains all of my ideas. All of them. Not all of them. I'm still practicing. But, y'all, hold on. Y'all see this? Y'all probably can't read that, but I got lists, you guys. I got a little board here. Do you have like my little piglet? My little piggy? I get sidetracked too. It's probably also why I can't focus on doing everything all the time. But I got a list, y'all. Like, I do have ideas. It's just about implementing them. And like, this brings me to my next topic, okay? So before I actually get into it, hold on. Let me just take a bite of this because this sandwich is calling me, you guys. Ooh, oh my God, look at this. Y'all see that glaze? That's mad glaze at the bottom. Dripping in glaze. Hold on. Y'all ready? Yeah, this is actually like, this is smacking. I wouldn't eat this every day, but this is smacking. It's like, hold on. Let me. Yeah. Ah, there it is. This is like sweet and salty. It's really good. It's a mouthful, but it's so good. Anyways, like I was saying, this is the most crucial part for me because I don't even know what the hell I'm about to say. Most important thing for me about YouTube that I feel like will make me grow a little bit more and help encourage me more is the fact that I feel like I need like-minded people within my community. So would it be weird? I kind of want to dip this in the glaze. Okay, so that wasn't as good as I thought it was gonna be, but the chicken and sandwich itself is bomb diggity. You guys, I feel like I need people that are from Boston, or at least within the Boston area, that are willing to do YouTube too, because I have a lot of ideas, but I feel like a lot of the ideas I have contain like groups or being with other people. I have no problem doing my individual ideas, which is what I said I was going to do, which is the fashion and hairstyles. Those are my individual ideas. So that's something that I would take on my channel, just being by myself. Whereas a lot of my other activities, like for example, this mukbang, I wanted to do this mukbang with other people. And I know that there's people that seen my message because I posted this up on my story and on my Snapchat. I said, is there anybody that was available as a collab, because I wanted to do a mukbang. Nobody responded. They looked at it, but they didn't respond. I'm not mad. People have other things to do, and I understand that. But at the same time, it's just like, you know, like...
Damn, nobody fucking responded. It's cool. It's motherfucking cool because you know what? I'm fine with just doing it by myself.
But it would have been more entertaining if I had somebody else actually here, because I could have told a story, they could have told a story, or we could have given advice, or whatever the case is. And I feel like that's really important for me. Connections, I guess, is my main thing. Like, I want to have connections and I want to have people to actually work with. And I feel like a lot of people don't understand that part of me wanting to do YouTube. Does that make sense? I don't know. But I guess that's I'm really just like, it's... Y'all, I just really don't know. Y'all probably wondering, like, what the hell you really don't know? Okay, so what I really don't know is just how am I gonna go about getting more people to actually view my channel, getting more people to subscribe? Like, what things should I be doing for my channel that you know is gonna get people to be like, oh, like this girl, she, you know, she interesting. That's what I want. I also want friends who like doing YouTube, that want to be recorded, that enjoy being recorded. Like, I want people like that. Like, I need somebody that, like, if I don't feel like recording, they feel like recording. So they're going to push me and be like, no, come on, get up, let's record. That's the type of energy that I want, okay? And, like, I sounded so angry saying that, but I'm just bothered because that's what I'm looking for, and I can't find it, and I don't know how to find it, you guys. And like, this is just me being truthful about being on YouTube. Like, I've definitely also learned a lot about myself starting this channel, but I don't know, you guys. Let's just get the word out there. I said that weird. Let's just get the word out there that I'm looking for a collab buddy. I want somebody who's within the Boston area that's willing to travel. I'm also willing to travel. Like, I'm just looking for that. So, yeah. But, let me get back to my little sandwich. but I'm full. I guess this is what it's gonna have to be, and this is gonna have to do. I guess that's really all I wanted to rant about, to be honest with you, was just YouTube and how I'm feeling about it. Like, I've just been feeling a little bit stressed. I kind of wish that I had more support than what I already have. And I just want the people to know that the ones that are currently supporting me, I appreciate everything that you guys have done and said so far. The criticism, just anything, the feedback, I appreciate it all. So continue to do what you're doing, but I just want to grow that support system. Like, I want more people to be like, hey girl, like, let's do this, and like, let's do that. Reach out to me, you guys. Let me know what's up. I pretty much just ranted this whole video, so I hope you guys didn't mind. It's a little different. I know some people won't find it interesting, but that's just how I'm feeling, and I just wanted to get that out there. So, that's about it for today's video, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to, comment. Don't forget to also subscribe. And definitely like this video. Oh, by the way, to the asshole that disliked my last video, I'm gonna need you to just hold this for me really quick, okay? But that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.